Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the noun. What is noun? Its definition, its kinds, and all about the noun. So, a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. I repeat, a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Means नाउन वो वर्ड होता है जो किसी पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है. ओके, एंड हियर द वर्ड थिंग मीन्स अ लॉट. ओके, हियर थिंग एनीथिंग दैट वी कैन थिंक ऑफ, बी इट कॉन्क्रीट और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, कोई भी चीज़ जिसके बारे में हम सोच सकते हैं वो हमारा थिंग में इंक्लूड हो जाता है. लाइक फीलिंग, एनिमल. ओके, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एक्चुअली दिस डेफिनेशन इज ऑफ रैन. ओके, रैन मॉर्टिन की बुक आपने सुनी होगी, तो ये रैन की डेफिनेशन है. अ नाउन इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड एज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. और we can define it like this: a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or feeling. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or feeling. Okay, so you can define in both ways. Example: a man, a bird, a table, an elephant, water, happiness, an activity, and so on. Kinds of noun. According to their function, they can be classified into 5 categories. Okay? First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Then, collective noun. Fourth, material noun. Fifth, abstract noun. Okay, means according to their functions, nouns can be divided into 5 parts, 5 categories. Okay, how many categories? 5 categories. Somewhere it may be mentioned that they are of 4 kinds. Okay, in that case, two nouns are merged in one. Okay, let's see first proper noun. So, what is a proper noun? A noun that gives a specific, yes, specific name to a person, place or thing is called a proper noun. Specific is the important word. A noun that gives a specific name to a person, place or thing is called a proper noun. Like Asha, Ahmad, David, Gautam Buddha and so on. These are the names of person. These are the names of person. Then Agra, Bombay, Delhi, place, Ramayan, Gita, Taj Mahal, thing, Sunday, Monday, March. These are days and months. Diwali, Holi, Eid, these are festivals. Okay? So, Diwali is a type of festival, but a festival named as Diwali. Okay? उस फेस्टिवल का नाम दिवाली रख दिया गया. इन दैट केस दिवाली इज योर प्रॉपर नाउन. दिवाली इज योर प्रॉपर नाउन. बट इफ वी से ओनली फेस्टिवल, देन it is not a proper noun. Okay, so again, a specific name given to a person, place or thing is called a proper noun. ठीक है, and important thing, a proper noun begin with a capital letter. Yes, it is noteworthy. A proper noun always begins with capital letter. Okay, begins होगा. Proper noun begins with a capital letter. Okay, next, common noun. A noun that describes the same class of a person of persons, places or things is called common nouns. Okay. So when persons, places or things are classified in a particular class, okay, or a word that denotes the whole class, okay, you can say a common noun like cow. When we say cow, it denotes all the cows, okay. Man, all the men doctors, all the doctors teachers, pen town, all the towns, and so on, okay. The cow is a domestic animal. Here it means all the cows, not a particular cow, not your cow, not my cows, ठीक है, all cows. So here cow describes the class. So cow is your common noun. So the cow is a domestic animal. I live in a city. Here city, the word city in this sentence represents all the cities. Preeti loves flowers. Preeti loves flowers. Okay, means here flowers denotes all the flowers. But if we say Preeti loves roses, then a particular flower. Okay, I am a teacher. Here teacher denotes a class. Okay, we don't know whether a male or female. ठीक है, so teacher is your common noun. Next, collective noun. As the word collective, as the word collective is an adjective form of the word collection. Collection means to collect. When something means more in numbers gather at a place, that is a collection or group. So collective noun means a noun that stands for a group or collection of people, places or things is called a collective nouns. I repeat, a noun that stands for a group or collection of people, places or things is called a collective noun. Yes. जहाँ पे प्लेसेस, पीपल या थिंग्स का कलेक्शन होता है, ग्रुप होता है, वहाँ हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. लाइक क्लास, हियर क्लास इज योर कलेक्टिव नाउन. क्लास मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. आर्मी मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स. ओके. फ्लॉक अ ग्रुप ऑफ शीप. बर्ड्स के लिए भी फ्लॉक को यूज़ करते हैं. क्राउड अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. Team, a group of players. Bundle, a group of sticks. Okay, so here we can see that class, army, flock, crowd, team, bundle, okay, and bunch, okay, band, all these words represent a group of something or someone. Okay, so जहाँ पे group या collection होगा, that would be a collective noun. Next, material noun. Material, as you can understand by the word material, material noun denotes the matter or substance, the matter or substance of which things are made. The matter or substance of which things are made. जिस मैटर या सब्सटेंस से कोई चीज़ बनाई जाती है वो हमारा मटेरियल नाउन होता है. लाइक गोल्ड, सिल्वर, कॉपर, स्टोन, वाटर, ऑयल, वुड. ओके, these are your material noun. Like this ring is made of gold. This ring is made of gold. Here gold is your material noun. He eats with a spoon made of silver. Okay, he eats with a spoon made of silver. वो जिस चम्मच से खाता है वो सिल्वर का है, तो यहाँ पे सिल्वर मटेरियल नाउन. दिस टेबल्स आर मेड ऑफ वुड. ओके, ये सारे टेबल्स, ये देखो ये टेबल्स हैं ना ऊपर फिगर में, ये सारे वुड के बने हुए, लकड़ी के बने हुए. हियर वुड इज योर मटेरियल नाउन. नेक्स्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. अ नाउन दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अ क्वालिटी. अ नाउन दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अ क्वालिटी state, feeling, or idea is called an abstract noun. As the word denotes abstract means that cannot be seen or touched. ठीक है? So it cannot be seen or touched but felt only. It means an abstract noun cannot be touched or seen. कोई भी abstract noun होगा हम उसे देख या छू नहीं सकते हैं, सिर्फ उसे महसूस कर सकते हैं. Okay, like beauty in this picture, beauty in this picture. इस पिक्चर की ब्यूटी को हम देख नहीं सकते ब्यूटी कैसी है, बट फील कर सकते हैं दैट दिस पिक्चर इज ब्यूटीफुल. Cruelty to animal must be banned. Honesty is the best policy. Okay? Childhood is known for purity. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Is there a possibility of rains today? So, all the words written in red color are your abstract noun. Okay? Honesty को हम छू नहीं सकते, देख नहीं सकते, but feel कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So, abstract noun is a noun that describes a quality, state, feeling, or idea. Okay, and it cannot be touched or felt, but sorry, it cannot be touched or seen, but felt only. So I hope you have understood the concepts. That's all for today. Thank you.